Hey everyone, here is my tip of the day today. Nitrous oxide is a very important molecule that's produced from our body, in particular from the lining of our blood vessels. Nitrous oxide causes dilatation of our blood vessels, thus increasing the blood and oxygen supply to all our body tissues and organs. It increases our health and our vitality. Disorders such as diabetes, erectile dysfunctions, and heart problems can be because of nitrous oxide deficiency. Here are 2 things you can do to increase your nitrous oxide. Number 1, eat pomegranate. Whether it's pomegranate as a fruit or pomegranate juice without any added sugar. Number 2, eat cruciferous vegetables. Things such as Brussels sprouts or broccoli, cauliflower and cabbage and beetroot. Try this. Thank you.